Hello and welcome everyone. This is the introductory of KOHA WebOPAC module. WebOPAC is a web-based online public access catalogue which is used to search and locate items such as books, journals, theses, maps in printed format, DVD-ROM, digital maps and others inside the library collection. In addition to that, you will also can reserve and renew books online, check fines and manage your patron account. In UPM, our WebOPAC is known as KOHA WebOPAC. This module consists of 5 parts. The first 2 parts cover searching methods. First, basic search and second, advanced search. Then, you will learn on how to access patron record, online reservation and online renewal. To access KOHA WebOPAC, please go to the library website lib.upm.edu.ny. Then, scroll down, search for KOHA WebOPAC icon. Or you can just type the URL www.elib.upm.edu.ny. This is the homepage of KOHA WebOPAC. Hopefully, you will enjoy exploring KOHA WebOPAC module, and by the end of the course, you will know on how to use the platform to find books and other materials for your study. Thank you.